Research is a systematic and organized process of inquiry that involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information to answer questions, solve problems, or generate new knowledge. It is driven by curiosity and the desire to understand facts, test ideas, and discover truth. In simple terms, research is the process of finding reliable answers through logical reasoning, evidence, and critical thinking, rather than assumptions or guesses. In academic fields, research plays a central and indispensable role. It is the foundation upon which knowledge is built and expanded. Students and scholars engage in research to explore theories, verify existing knowledge, and contribute new insights to their respective disciplines. Through research, learners develop critical thinking, analytical abilities, and problem-solving skills. It also helps them to understand concepts in depth rather than relying on rote memorization. Academic research encourages originality, intellectual growth, and innovation, which are essential for the advancement of education. Moreover, research in academia promotes evidence-based learning. Instead of accepting information at face value, students learn to question, evaluate sources, and draw conclusions based on facts and data. This process enhances their ability to think independently and make informed decisions. Teachers and educators also rely on research to improve teaching methods, design effective curricula, and address educational challenges. Thus, research strengthens the overall quality of education and contributes to the development of a knowledgeable society. In professional fields, research is equally important as it supports effective decision-making and problem-solving. In business, for example, research helps organizations understand market trends, customer preferences, and competitive strategies. This enables companies to make informed decisions, reduce risks, and improve performance. In fields such as medicine, engineering, and technology, research leads to innovation, new discoveries, and the development of better products and services. Without research, progress in these areas would be slow and uncertain. Research also enhances professional competence and efficiency. Professionals use research to stay updated with the latest developments, improve their skills, and adapt to changing environments. It enables them to identify problems, analyze situations, and implement effective solutions. Furthermore, research fosters creativity and innovation, which are essential for growth and success in any profession. Another key importance of research in professional life is its role in policy making and planning. Governments and organizations rely on research to design policies, allocate resources, and address social, economic, and environmental issues. Evidence-based policies are more effective and sustainable because they are grounded in accurate data and thorough analysis. In conclusion, research is a vital process that underpins both academic and professional success. It not only helps in acquiring and expanding knowledge, but also in applying that knowledge to real-world situations. In academic fields, it promotes learning, critical thinking, and innovation, while in professional fields, it drives decision-making, efficiency, and development. Therefore, the importance of research cannot be overstated, as it is essential for progress, problem-solving, and the creation of a better future.